Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I hope you guys are doing well. So today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys why I switched my business website platform from Shopify to Wix. I'm just going to share like my general experience and why I now use Wix for my business website. If you guys don't know, I have a self-development kind of like business / platform called the Thriving Boss Hub, which you can check down below. I will leave a link. But here we explore all things personal development, finance, leveling up, all of that, you name it, we're going to explore it. So if you're interested, do check the link down below. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. So I originally used Shopify back in 2020. I was starting my cosmetic business. That's it. I don't know why I couldn't remember. If I'm a bit slow, I apologize. It's the morning and I'm tired. I used Shopify to start off my cosmetic business, Sheer Makeup. At the time, it just seemed like the right platform to use because everyone was using Shopify for their e-commerce hosting platform. So I was like, let me join the bandwagon and use it as well. To begin with, because it was like my first proper online business, I thought that it was actually really good. I thought that, and I still think Shopify is good, but I do feel like there is a lot of flaws that people do not highlight. And sometimes people just be bragging about Shopify being so good for the sake of it, but there are other website platforms that are actually kind of better. Low-key. I use Shopify to list all my cosmetic products. I can't lie, I love the analytics on Shopify. I think if you are trying to study, the sales, where your sales are coming from, stuff like that, it's a beast with that. The analytics is amazing. So one of the reasons why I switched was because I didn't feel like the pricing wasn't matching the features that they presented. For the price that I paid, I paid roughly about 25 to 30 pounds a month. Basically it's $29, so let's just say roughly about 26 pounds or so each month. I felt like it was quite limited, and the features that I wanted, I had to pay even more money through the Shopify app by getting specific apps. They cost money, and it was like, okay, what am I really getting my money's worth when I'm spending this amount of money a month? They do take a transaction fee for each sale, but every website does, so that's not really the issue. But it's like value isn't there. Also, when I first started, I just used one of their free themes for the websites, but I felt like it was really basic. And I think maybe after a year into running my cosmetic business, I wanted to switch kind of like website themes, make it look a lot more professional and just sleek. So I then went on to see if there was any other website themes there. There wasn't. So do you know what I had to do? I had to pay for the website theme I wanted, and that was about £200. And it was like, all this money is just going down the drain. Of course, because my business was doing so well, I could afford it, but it's like, if you're just starting out but you wanted that sleek and sophisticated look, you have to take that money out of your budget, and it can add up. Another reason for me leaving Shopify was just the fact that their features was quite limited. They didn't at the time have a blogging theme, so you couldn't post blog posts, but I'm recently finding out that they just launched a blog post feature, so I can't really say that anymore. But at the time I was like, I wish they had like more of an interactive feature for me to kind of like promote the brand to my customers, my consumers, my audience. They didn't have that, but again, they have it now. So when I had left Shopify, it wasn't in my mind that I was going to go straight to Wix with my new business platform. I did search around, and you guys should have seen, I should have uploaded it by now, but I basically do like a comparison of all the different website platforms that you can use, so do check that out. But when it came down to it, Wix did seem like the most effective one. The main reason that grabbed my attention for me to use Wix was the fact that they offered student discount. And guys, I'm not a student anymore, but I still get access to student discount because obviously I'm still like, this is my first year out of university, so I still get access to all the little perks. So when I saw that they did student discount, I was like, oh my god, like I want that, I need that, it's gonna be cheaper. So they do student discount on their yearly plans, and it's a lot more cost effective when you think about it, because you pay a little bit of money for the year and you get access for 12 months. You also get a free domain for the year, And then on top of that, there's student discounts. So it was like, ooh, this is actually really cost effective and very student friendly. So if you're someone who's at university, sixth form, you want to start your own business, you can definitely do so through Wix because you're saving a lot more money and it's cost effective. Another reason why I switched to Wix was because they have a lot of different features. So they have a wide range of features, including adding a membership, blogging, so you can add blog posts, you can add a forum. There's so many different things. Like right now for my self-development business, the Thriving Boss Hub, I have a membership program, and on here I'm able to upload webinars, I'm able to upload so many different content pieces, and I'm also able to link my ebooks so people who pay for the membership get instant access into the ebooks on that membership section, which is something I couldn't do with Shopify. So the flexibility was like, oh, okay, there's a lot more features with Wix, which makes me feel like I'm getting my money's worth. And then on top of that, another reason, they have such sophisticated website themes, which is included in the package. My website theme now, from what it was with my last business at Shopify, is completely different. It's had a whole facelift. It's so much more just clean, sophisticated. Everything is so organized. And I love that because it's not like I'm having to pay extra money to have access to that theme. It's just included with the package. So one con I will say about Wix is the fact that their editing, when you're editing the website, is so slow. So slow. Like it's literally, it's an agony. It's terrible. It's horrible. I'm not really sure why. It just doesn't make sense. It's just so slow. Like it, honestly, I hate editing my website because of how slow it is. And comparing that to Shopify is so fast. Because of all the kind of like perks Wix offers, I'm just like firming the slowness because yeah, just Wix is just so much more flexible. There's so many more features. I just feel like Wix, I can't lie, I do prefer Wix. Having been customer both at Shopify and Wix, I ran my business with Shopify for 2 years or a little bit over 2 years, and I've now just converted to Wix for the last maybe 2 months, a month. So yeah, so far I'm really impressed with Wix, and I'm just gonna have to recommend Wix and say that Wix is better. But this is just my own personal experience, and at the end of the day, it does depend solely on what type of business you are running. If you're going to be running something that's just product based, then yeah, Shopify might be the best bet because it's like the analytics with Shopify is unbeatable. And if you're running a product based business, you're going to want to be able to analyze where the sales are coming from, what products are doing the best, all of these different things. Again, with Wix, because I'm still new, I'm sure there's a lot of things that I don't know about their analytics, but from face value, Shopify's analytics is better than Wix's. I will be very real with you. However, again, do your own research. Don't just take my word for it. Okay, guys, that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.